Hi guys. Twenty-one ako. 21. Ang 6 ako. Ako ang 21 ako aman. Ang nag-reserve ako ano. Daan ang nag-reserve. In a very one summer's day, a grasshopper was hopping about, surfing and singing to bless her heart contest on ants. Plus said the current an air of corn. It was a very heavy load, but he did not stop. He was taking the corn to his nest. Why not come on, play him me, said the grasshopper. The day is to need to be working so hard. I am helping to play a food for the winter, said the ant. I think you should be doing the same. Why worry about the winter? The grasshopper said, we have plenty of food now. The ant was tired from his work, and he was only hope to join the grasshopper, but he went on why and when on working until he was not rain corn. Winter